This compressor is sidechained to all the vocals. What this does is it'll duck the reverb and delay whenever a vocal is going on, and then when the vocal stops, it stops that compression and allows the volume of the verb and delay to come back up. This way, the reverb and delay is not stepping on the toes of your main vocal when it's actually going on, but when there's silence, the reverb and delay could come back up and fill that space. Here's the cleans dry in the mix. Now with the full chain and all the effects on.